Okay, uh, thank you, HK Denmark. My name is Gideon Su from Bentley Systems. I'm excited to be here to share our flagship CD platform with you, which is ProjectWise. Alright, Bentley Systems is a infrastructure engineering software headquartered in United States. We provide innovative software for the infrastructure and in more than 170 countries. Now we have more than 4,000 colleagues around the world, and now we are public listed on Nasdaq. Our industry is in the middle of a digital transformation, and your biggest challenge and your biggest opportunity is your data. Your data in the files, your data in your database, and in your supply chain. But do you know, are you using all the data for your insights? According to the market research and our estimation, you're only effectively analyzing only 1% of your data. Another 99% will be your dark data, or what we call it. Bentley System is doing all that we can to light up your dark data to make use of the data for your business. Through 36 of years development and the acquisitions, we now have more than 400 products on hand. Of course, we start our journey with MicroStation. But we have also have the design modeling applications in roads, tunnels, rail, underground utilities, and so on, which are all MicroStation based. We also announced the digital twin platform called iTwin Services. It is the digital representation of your physical asset so that you can synchronize multiple data sources and your sensors to let you to have the real-time status and also the even transform the performance of your asset. Okay, so what is ProjectWise? ProjectWise helps project teams to manage, share, publish, and also distribute the engineering project data. And we build all those data in a single platform. You can ensure all the stakeholders are complying with the industry standard and are associated to your build strategy. There are two major modules in ProjectWise. The first one will be the ProjectWise design integration, which is on the bottom of the diagram. It can support on-premises deployment or cloud provisioning or even hybrid approach. It brings the key features such as workflow management so that you can bring your project contractors, consultants to the workflow and apply the workflow based on the different disciplines or projects. Next will be the workspace management. It simplifies the rollout of your corporate standard in design and in the modeling. We built so many different plugins in the design tools, such as our MicroStation, OpenRose, Civil 3D, AutoCAD, and Revit, so that all the users can even use our data application or manage or corroborate the model within the application of the design tools. The features in the dependency will also allow you to know the cross-reference and linkage between the models, no matter the models are in Revit or DWT or DTM. ProjectWise is also SDK available so that you can build your own customized tools locally and integrate ProjectWise with your existing systems to form the complete workflow. Another key module in the ProjectWise is ProjectWise 365 Services, which is on the top of the diagram here. This is a series of powerful cloud services, especially for the project collaborations through the web browser. The features such as open and edit the Word documents, review 2D and 3D design, log and resolve issues, mark up 3D models, track the progress of your deliverables, create the custom forms to record and collect your data. Bentley System is laser focused on the infrastructure engineering and doing all that we can to help your projects moving and enable work remotely. In ProjectWise, we built the workflow engine based on ISO 19650. You can easily go on board with the industry standard. The system supports the automation based on the document state suitability so that you can ensure everyone when to have what. Once the document reaching the gateway here, such as the from the work in progress to the share, the ProjectWise can automatically archive the documents to the isolated zone, so that no one can edit the archived files. Together with the audit trail and the security setting, you can ensure the security and also provide strong supporting to the project dispute, if any. There are some out-of-the-box templates according to ISO 19650 to ensure the information management. The templates allows you to standardize the folder structure, naming convention, and also the document code, etc., so that you can ensure the data and also the locate and reuse the data is. Of course, we support the configuration according to CIC BIM standard. In the CIC BIM standard, there are recommendations in workflow, folder structure, and also container classification and naming. We can configure those in the ProjectWise accordingly. And the configuration in the ProjectWise allows you to apply changes according to your BIM strategy and also your project needs. ProjectWise is the industry standard. Top engineering news record ENR firms are all using ProjectWise to share, publish, and also review the project data. We are proud of the success we have had and excited about the growth in the CDE market. Okay, finally, I have a short video about a ProjectWise user.
The Thames Tideway Tunnel is a £4 billion design-build project initiated to address the overflow from London's Victorian-era sewers to meet environmental standards. It is the largest infrastructure project ever undertaken by the UK water industry. Mott MacDonald, the lead designer for the Tideway East contract, brought together information from all disciplines in intelligent composite 3D models. This collaboration eliminated the need to create 350 traditional 2D drawing deliverables. Using Bentley applications, the design team created a connected data environment used by 16 contractors working remotely. They can now access documents 80% faster. The team's pioneering model-based delivery method has increased productivity by 30%, shortening design delivery time by 6 months.
I work for Mott MacDonald, the lead designers on the eastern section of the project, working for the construction JV CVB. The project is all about reconnecting London with the River Thames, so removing the untreated sewage flows into the Thames and instead building a tunnel to follow the river beneath, so the sewage flows are then going into the river. The main works contract on the eastern section is Costain, Vinci Construction Grand Projet, and Bashi Solatonge, and Mott MacDonald is the lead designer for this construction JV. From a design perspective, some of the key challenges were the multidiscipline coordination across our 12 design disciplines. Also working with the stakeholders and the numerous interfaces on these confined construction sites. We've also got a programme to deliver to. We need to get assurance that we can meet that programme and also get acceptance from our client. So it's all about working together with all of the parties, including the construction JV and the client. So I think how we implemented the Go Digital strategy on this project was kind of two themes. Firstly, it's all about getting the people with the right expertise and the right experience who we can bring in at the start of the project and enable us to plan effectively for project delivery before implementation. And I think secondly, it's all about training. We need to train our staff in these new tools and allow them to develop with the tools. Really, training was a key part of how we were able to deliver in this method. We use ProjectWise to hold all of our design information. That's from 12 design disciplines and from designers across Europe. By placing all of our information into ProjectWise using a common structure, it gave us control over our information and also clarity on the status of that information. We use ACOSIM and the DGN file format as our primary deliverables format. The interface with ProjectWise allows us to give control to the design delivery, and also we use Bentley Navigator to review our design models. We use model-based delivery for the early phases of the design, particularly in concept and developed design. By not producing the drawings at that early stage, we removed the time taken for drawing production, and we focused all of our engineers and all of the stakeholders onto the 3D model, that single source of truth. By not needing to convert the 3D information to 2D information, we provided program savings to the design, and ultimately it allowed us to increase our skill levels and allow us to work in this way better in the future.
Okay, that's what I have prepared today. Thank you, HKF Burma, and have a nice day. Thank you.